Hi, I am quite excited about my new user-defined function LUR. And I don't really think it will change my life, but it adds quality and performance to my formulas. If we take a look at this formula, we can see that even if the syntax for XLOOKUP says lookup value, it accepts lookup arrays. So in this case, it spills down to row 11. And that's great. And of course we can just adjust this one and it will spill down. And we can even enhance this a little by using an indirect formula where we point to the H2. Okay, that's gone. H2 that tells the formula to spill down 1000 rows or 11 rows or 100 rows. The ideal thing would be that, and I think it's ideal, to have a LUR function that says that, okay, this table starts in A2 and check for the number of rows in H5, 1000 rows. So 1000 is the maximum rows I think I will use in this sheet. So if I have 100,000 rows, okay, I will write 100,000. But still the formula will spill down only to the last used row. So now we know that all the formulas are equal and they are only spilled to the last row. And if I add new rows, it will automatically spill down to the last used row. If you want to try the LUR function, you can download this workbook from the link in the description below. And you simply go to this cell, copy, include it in your own worksheet, paste, and there you are. This is a LAMBDA formula, so you will find it under the name manager, and you see the formula below here. That's all you have to do. So what about performance? We have these two that's quite similar, the indirect version and the LUR version. So I have written a test routine, and what it does is it compares how long time it takes to update the formulas 10 times when I change the value in column A. Okay, Navtalk start. So it starts with 100 rows and the result is okay. LUR is 3 times faster. Okay, that's nice. I'm really not surprised, I've done it before. Just faking. Okay, 450,000 rows and still 3 times faster. So it seems like the LUR function provides both formula quality and performance. Please leave a comment and like the video if you do, and have a really nice day.